Hey everybody, Shep here. Today is October 22nd. The trees are starting to be nice and pretty with the different color leaves. And today's corn harvest on the homestead. So it's in the low 50s out here. Beautiful sunny day, as you can tell. And I think it's going to be a real nice day to pick corn. This morning I went and pulled up the electric fence and the little posts. And it's about 12:30 now. I'm getting started. I should be able to get this finished today. It'll probably take most of the afternoon, but should be able to do that. I'm picking this pretty much just like I did last year with my handy dandy harvest bucket. And this year though, I got a tailgate for the gator. So last year, if you remember, I just thrown it in a wagon. Tailgate now, so it's going directly into the gator. And I'll take it and put it in the corn crib. I'll pick these outside rows, the one on this side and the one on the other, and then mow those down with the bush hog and basically work my way in. So I'll go ahead and pick these first couple outside rows, and we'll get caught back up when after I do that, because there's some nice corn out there in the middle. Okay, well, it's a little bit later now. I've gotten the 3 outside rows taken off on each side. Corn's doing pretty good. If you've never watched any of my videos before, this is field corn that I'm growing to feed my chickens. I pick it like this, and then I put it in a crib, and then once it dries out, I shell it and then grind it up and feed it to the chickens. They love it. I love growing it. And honestly, picking this corn like I'm doing today is probably my favorite homesteading activity that I do. I just really enjoy it, and it's a really nice day, and I'm having a really nice afternoon doing this. So I planted this corn on May 29th, and it's done really well this year. I'm pretty happy. This is a variety called Wapsie Valley. It's heirloom open pollinated, and what that means is that I can save these seeds and plant them again. And also, if you've never seen my videos, I've got lots of videos on corn. They're usually pretty popular. I've got videos, obviously, of me planting this, me saving seeds, a lot of stuff like that. So if you're interested, check out those older videos. And yeah, I love growing this corn. Well, I've got about 10 rows picked, and that makes the first load in the gator. I'm going to take this and unload it here in the crib. And also I saved some nice ones to get seeds from. But yeah, I'm going to go dump this load in the crib, and then I'll be back to pick some more. That's all the corn in the crib. It did pretty well this year. That's probably close to as much corn as I had last year, if not as much, which this patch is quite a bit smaller than the one I had last year. I knew we had some nice corn out there in the middle, and yeah, there's some nice ears in there. I'm happy with how it did. I saved a bunch of the real nice ears. Some of those real nice ones to save for seeds. So I'm happy with how the corn did this year. Well, that concludes the 2023 corn harvest. It's about 6:30 now, so it took me quite a while. Toward the end there, my dad helped me finish up. Otherwise, I may not have got done before it got dark today. But just took the blower and blew off the tractor and got everything put up. I'm real happy how the corn crop did this year. It probably the best crop since I've been growing it the last few years. But yeah, so hope you guys liked the video. Usually these corn videos are kind of popular, so like I said, I've got lots of them if you guys want to see other ones that I've done. And I appreciate everybody watching, and everybody out there have a great day.